The customer came in with the complaint that the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and found the code P0126, Insufficient Coolant Temperature for Stable Operation. This code typically indicates that the engine is not reaching the proper operating temperature, which can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and reduced fuel efficiency. To further diagnose the issue, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. I observed that the engine coolant temperature sensor parameter did not increase to the minimum specified operating temperature. This suggested that there might be an issue with the cooling system, specifically the thermostat, which controls the flow of coolant through the engine. Next, I used a non-contact pyrometer to measure the actual engine coolant temperature at the thermostat housing inlet and outlet. The readings from the pyrometer were consistent with the data displayed on the scan tool, confirming that the engine was not heating up as it should. To confirm the issue, I removed the engine coolant thermostat and visually inspected it. I found that the thermostat was stuck in the half-open position. When a thermostat is malfunctioning, it fails to fully open or close, which prevents the engine from reaching the proper operating temperature. In this case, the thermostat was allowing too much coolant to flow, preventing the engine from warming up sufficiently. I replaced the faulty engine coolant thermostat with a new one, cleared the error codes from the vehicle's ECU, and performed another road test. After the test, I verified that the vehicle was now operating properly. The engine reached the correct temperature, the check engine light remained off, and no fault codes returned. The key takeaway is that diagnosing a P0126 code requires careful observation of the engine coolant temperature readings and confirming that the thermostat is functioning correctly. A malfunctioning thermostat can cause engine performance issues, but replacing it is a simple and effective solution to restore proper engine operation and prevent further complications.